Hi, this is Kevin with Daylem Transformer. I'm here at our Houston facility. Here is a pad-mounted transformer we have in stock, ready to ship. 1500 kVA capacity transformer. The high voltage is 1247, the low voltage is 480. On the primary side, we have our apparatus bushings. We have our HO bushing as the neutral. We have our bayonet fuses here up top. We have our tap changer TC as well on the primary side. On our secondary side, we have our nameplate, we have our upper and lower valves, we have our temperature gauges, our oil gauges up here, we have our terminal, lower voltage terminals here, and we have our ground connected.